Hi, Stalwart Fam! Welcome back!
Welcome back!
Okay, today is a new one we have in the
building.
The amazing, delectable, effervescent, because he's like tono, you know,
God.
Amaka Twinkle.
Yay!
My name is Michael anyway.
And my name is Faith.
And we are the Stalwart lovers.
Plus Amaka.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be having.
Wait, now let's give her a proper introduction. You know.
Yes.
She's the funniest person you ever meet. You know. She's so entertaining.
Okay.
And when I say entertaining, I mean very, very entertaining.
Yeah, no moment.
Like don't go to our Instagram. I'm going to link it in the description.
Guys,
you know, like
go
right
to
now,
our Instagram.
Right now, go to our Instagram and follow her back to back. Like,
go and laugh.
You know,
I'll try my best to make people laugh.
Can you see what she's doing?
Okay, so that's why we brought her on the show today to answer the questions. Herself and my wife, they're going to be answering the questions that guys want to ask ladies. And guys, I got you. All right, I got you. Now, very important thing to note: ladies, they don't have all the answers, right? So I'd like you guys, you ladies, to also drop the comments in the comment section, your own answers and your own opinions on these questions.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's jump right into the video.
Okay.
Before then, if you have not subscribed, what are you doing?
Like, what?
Like, what are you doing?
Like, tell me.
Subscribe, my friend.
Subscribe.
Just click on the button. Like.
Alright, like the video, subscribe, and share with your loved ones.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go straight into the questions. Now, they don't know the questions, alright? So we're going to be getting their natural reactions.
So she had just been asking.
I've been begging.
Tell me the question.
This-
Tell me.
let's
Don't
make
let me
it-
disgrace myself. I said, don't worry.
Let's make it very fast. Number one, what is the first thing you notice about a guy? Who's going first?
Now wait.
I noticed
yeah.
his face. If he's a fine boy, you catch my attention. If
Fine.
he's cute, like,
So you like fine boys?
what are you trying to do? Like, you're trying to.
This one that these days on video used to make me feel so good. Used to pounce me. Oh, like you need
Come back,
this.
please.
Hmm?
Can you come back to the show?
Okay, so what about you? What's the first thing you noticed
The
about
first
a
thing
guy?
I noticed about a guy should be. I don't mean to sound so serious, but I think the way he spoke to me. Do you understand? Yeah.
Okay.
His
What
manner
if you
of
don't
approach.
have a conversation?
Oh, if I don't have a conversation with him.
Just a guy and you're like, nice.
Or just.
Yeah. Maybe he's high.
Eyes.
Okay, hi.
So you like
Okay.
the tall, you like them tall.
They have to be tall, but I'm shocked. Can you even see how short my
How would you
fingers
say
are?
that you are short?
You're taller than me.
No, it has to be tall. It has to be really tall.
Oh,
you know,
good.
You know when you hold a gun and you're putting your head on your shoulders? And it's a different feeling. No, you're hugging him.
Yeah, that's
But you know that's a good feeling too, because if you are taller than him and then he has somewhere to put his own head on.
Oh, I see why short
Whatever.
guys always run after tall girls.
No, but guys too want to overshadow you.
It depends. See. It depends.
They want to overshadow
Don't speak for a guy. Are you a guy?
It's
Whatever.
supposed to be your covering.
Yes.
You're covering.
Yes.
While for guy, we don't tell you.
I'm telling you.
So, but what about what turns you off? That one thing that turns you off about a guy.
See, the major thing that turns me off, if you don't smell nice, like some guys, they'll just pass beside you, you smell stink. Like,
What did you over smell too? Because your perfume is just 30 minutes,
see,
30 hours after
see,
it.
exactly any of the two. Either of the two. Whether it's too strong or whether it's like too strong positive, whether too strong negative, they are both negative.
You remember the time we were taking the stroll and this guy was in singlet, he just took a stroll,
Like
just
this?
past us. And some minutes after, me and my wife looked at ourselves like,
You can't go through the smell.
where are you going?
Like that's what exactly happened.
How about
It's
you?
Crazy. Okay, what turns me off is when a guy is just not intelligent. I don't like
boy.
stupidity. I don't know, but if you're cracking the wrong jokes, if you are not saying anything logical, if you're trying too hard to make sense and it's not working, I can slap you.
Please, let's not get physical. Okay, so let's go. I have like 12 questions, so let's go very quickly.
Alright.
Why do most ladies prefer bad guys? True talk now. And if you don't prefer bad guys, fine. Then I'll leave it to the ladies to answer that. But why do most ladies prefer bad guys? They say all good boys go to heaven, but bad boys bring heaven to you?
Yes,
Why
I
can't
know
good
that
boys
saying.
bring heaven to you? It's a song now. So now, why do most ladies like bad guys? What's your opinion on that?
Can you tell me how, yeah?
Okay, well, I don't particularly like bad guys.
So you
I
cannot
could just
really
feel
relate.
like I can't really relate, but I know I've liked someone that's not as conservative as me, per se.
Like when I mean like is like someone you want to be with.
Yeah, you just enjoy
Yes.
spending time around this person. Personally, I don't like bad guys, but
That's it.
at some point in my life, I saw myself falling for bad guys.
Mhm.
That's because I grew up in a church. I grew up with having church guys around. I know some church guys like this.
They just
they'll
want
not
your
tire
life too
you.
much.
They'll just tire you. You will not be vexing for like, God, what is happening?
Yes,
Why
I get it.
are the fun guys outside?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
They,
So-
they kind of show you a whole new world,
Yeah,
kind
so-
of.
A whole
I think-
new world.
I know. But you know these bad guys, they're adventurous. They
Yeah.
show that there's more to life. They're fun to be around. That's why it's easy for you to just see yourself falling for them,
Falling
but
for
before you
them.
don't call yourself back for that girl. This
No,
is not
no.
your kind of person.
So advice to the good guys: be adventurous, be fun to
Come
be.
on now.
Yes,
You're a
be
Christian, you
spontaneous.
love God does not mean that your life
Yes.
is
It
a
doesn't
dulling
have to
life,
be
alright?
Fun.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Alright.
Okay, so quick one. This one, I can never understand though, but I'm going to ask. Why do you ladies like to go to bathroom in groups?
I don't like going to bathroom in groups. So.
Well, I don't like
Nah,
to,
I'm
but,
not
Or
but
bathing together?
Well, you know something about
some
it
ladies
together.
are
Yeah?
just
It's a perfect avenue for gossip.
yeah.
It's sweet when you're like fitting and you're
Talking.
You're not gossiping the rawest form.
Why can't
Is
you
there a word
gossip?
like that?
Why can't you gossip when you're in a
When
normal
clothes.
place? Yes, now.
You know, when you're naked, like everything is now open. There's no
Yeah.
secret anymore. So I think that kind of inspires the sweetest gossip.
Guys can never understand. Like we don't get naked before each other. Like
Okay,
yeah.
I'm this kind of person.
I remember,
that-
I'm sorry,
Yeah,
I'm having
really stop
something in groups with people in my NYC here. So we used to bathe outside the bathroom because of how dirty it gets when
Okay.
people wake up. So then we have the sweetest juice. And you know that girl? Forget that guy, she's not our boyfriend.
I can't understand.
See,
I
yeah.
really can't understand.
When I was in university hostel, some ladies too be like, let's go and bathe. Or can you? I was just not the girl that would go and be bathing without that girl.
You can bake with your sister.
Yeah, but we don't even do it much. But it can happen if maybe we are rushing and we only have 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I think it's really profound.
And that
among
one, we won't
girls.
even gossip. or
Like for
anything.
example, I can bathe with another guy if we're in a camp and
yeah.
we have to bathe very early
Very
in the
early,
morning
very fast.
or
Really?
the
So
bath.
guys bathe naked,
Yes, now occasionally.
like with their fellow guys.
Yes, but it's very rare.
They'll not
Very
start
very.
comparing.
And
What
you
else will
see
happen?
and you see a guy facing this side, another guy
Hey,
facing this
face the
side.
other
Like,
side, like-
not like we're ashamed though, but we just feel like it's ill. Like come on.
I mean, can't think about something else, please.
Exactly. So now you can't even think about it, you guys. I mean, you ladies do it all the time. Anyway, fine. Let's move on. Like this really used to vex me in NYC days.
You know, like why?
You will even hear a lady say,
I'm waiting
"Hey,
for you."
Kemi, I'm waiting for you. Oh, go and have your bath.
bath.
Don't you
No,
know?
it's actually a sweet feeling.
I beg. I mean, that day by day they start. I beg. Okay. So the next question: do ladies really prefer built guys, like deep down, like for the long time?
Like macho guys.
Yes, for the long time, or it's just for the thrill and all the adventure and all the stuff.
Okay, you go first.
I have never admired that. I mean, it's good to be fit. I mean, it's healthy, but the whole macho thing, I think we are human. I like to see imperfections in my guy. If he has scale leg, I'm good with it. If he has the biggest nostrils, I'm good. I just like to see that humanity. What's that word? Humanity.
Just humanity.
Humaneness in here. It must not be.
Quick question: Are you single or?
Are you single? I'm in a relationship, a really sweet relationship. Yeah.
I wanted to sell your market. I wanted to sell your market.
You can still sell it because you don't know.
That one is gone.
I'm taking, guys.
And she used to do like God of the singles.
I know, the same people a lot.
Oh god. Anyway, that's good. I just wanted to ask because I mean you were almost shooting your shot. Like any guy that saw you there would just love you with his scale leg.
Don't bring hair leg to me, please. Will you fly her straight in?
Okay, so for me, I think it's like around the same thing for me. Maybe the maturity will first of all catch me. Who is this build guy? But it never does it for me. Like every single guy I've never had a crush on a build guy in my life. Can you imagine? Like every person that I've ever even had a crush on, is either they are so slim or they're even whatever. They're just different.
Now what you're saying is making me thank the Lord for that lady. Please carry on. It made me thank the Lord for that lady who told me that she likes build. How did she put it? She doesn't like build guys. Because I was walking out and
trying
getting.
to feel like
That's why my chest is still big. But the girl I was crushing on at the time, she said she doesn't like build girls, and I stopped. Maybe by the time you will meet me, I'll have been like.
Seriously.
Yes, now.
Like which kind of love is this? Crush love.
Yeah. So okay. What does I am fine really mean?
When the girl says it here.
Okay now. So I'm fine really means I'm not that fine. Most times. But sometimes it's just plain I am fine actually. Like it's just plain I'm fine. But most times or sometimes when it comes out in some tone. So you need to watch the tone. You know, watch the circumstance she's saying
I'm
it.
fine. Then I am fine.
There's I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
It's okay.
It's fine. Those things they mean deep. They want to.
Sure.
That's the annoying thing. I don't know what's wrong with our agenda. We want you to still press and ask, and we'll still tell you no, I'm actually fine. And still press before we now finally tell you what's
Still
wrong.
life. You still life.
Honestly, I don't think there's anyone that is really fine. Like when she's asked that question by the guy that she's dating or someone really close to her, because we don't want to be tagged as that nagging woman, even if we are.
Even if you're
a nagging woman, you don't want to be tagged as the nagging woman. So you just say I'm fine, just to kill the matter. And when girls say I'm fine, there is still a 99% chance that she would bring back that issue again and say, the other day, you didn't even ask me what's going on. But you said you were fine. So I don't have that problem with myself, really.
I think the way it will be solved is that a guy should not look for the I am fine answer. Don't ask are you fine. Ask the right questions like what's bothering you
What's
right
going
now?
on with you?
How do you feel right now? Don't say are you fine, right? Yeah. Do you feel
I am
happy?
fine will definitely
Like
come
I
out
asked my wife many times on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you? That stuff never lies because she won't be able to tell you 10. If she says 10 and you are seeing that she's not as happy, then you know that she's not being sincere with you. So tip for the guys. Alright, so you know me. Alright, so why are women so into guys' butts? Butts. Like I know a lot of ladies I know a lot of ladies that are like his bum bum is flat or he has bum bum. Like why are you so into guys' butts?
It's just something to press and touch.
Something to
and squeeze.
You said shock.
Don't put my head on it, you know.
I will. You don't even put your head on my butt.
But I'm just joking.
It's true.
But yeah,
boss actually very good pillows.
but I like to just touch it. I like to just see that your butt is full.
Yeah, look at the fitting in pants. Very cute.
Yeah.
And African man should have butts, please. Do your sports. Even a gorilla has butts.
Amaka, no. So please, if you are watching this video, you're a guy or a lady and you don't have butts, please, you are human.
Do your squats.
But you can build your butts. For example, I did not used to have butts, but I didn't do anything to build them. But I used to ride bicycle a lot. And when I got back, when I get back, my thighs and my butt will be paining me. I never knew that they were building. Now, if you see my thighs, which you will not see, it's like see Ronaldo's thighs. See, there was a day I went to church wearing one skinny jeans like that. One lady just came to me and whispered to me, why are you blocking our airflow? Why are you making it difficult for us? Why are you making it difficult for us to breathe?
Really, I wasn't judging you.
No, you don't even join. I don't think you joined. Like last year, As she didn't use the word airflow, but she just told me that are you distracting us now? I don't know. Let me go and wear baggy.
Must be nice.
Do you like your man being jealous? Do you actually like
I
it?
love it.
I actually like it, honestly.
I love the attention. I love
I love
being
it.
wanted by different people when they rush when they are rushing you.
The guys just like
invisible sugar pie.
exactly. I actually love it. I love
When
it.
your man acts jealous.
Yes, yes.
What if he's now over jealous?
And no, that's the
Out.
toxic part. But my
Like,
husband is never.
You cannot even hug your man. There's trouble. You cannot be on the phone with another guy. Or he's always reading signs.
Okay, you know what? Me, I'd rather have you. When you see that another guy is trying to give me attention, you come and give me times 3 of the attention.
Exactly.
That's the kind of jealousy I like. You know.
Makes you put more effort.
You know, that's kind of like. Do you remember that?
I hope
day
you
when-
guys put the same effort with the men too, because all of you are just
Yes, we
wanting
do. We
attention,
always
attention,
try.
attention,
Yes,
attention.
no.
I
I
wanted to
always
something.
try.
You know, there was someone that came to me, but I've not seen in a long time, and he hugged me, you know,
And you were there.
and he was there. After my husband came and hugged me tight, hold my waist, hold my bum.
You mean he never held you?
As in, I was just like, I knew that this one is because of.
No, see, that guy needed to be taught a lesson. Because to be honest, the way you hugged my wife, and my wife is not the kind of person that will hug
And he
you.
did not see you.
He didn't
They
even
didn't know
know
that maybe
who I was.
Oh,
You know, so I needed to mark my territory.
I'm telling you.
Like normal stuff, man.
Ugless like that.
And it was funny enough in that setting. It was like a very so I was just cracking jokes. Everybody saw me as this funny guy. I was doing like Woli Agba, what last and everybody was just laughing. So it was strange to just see that same guy being like, bros, that hug don't do.
Give back my woman.
You know what?
By the time I left the game, my husband came grab me.
I grabbed that come here. So why do you ladies wear such provocative clothing but complain about creepy people checking you out? Like a guy is checking you out and you're like, but whereas it's what you are wearing that is making them even.
Look at you in the first place.
Yeah, where's the balance to this?
A creepy person would always be a creepy person. No matter how modestly dressed you are. Yeah, even if you're dressed with the full deeper life regalia, they will still start x-raying you and imagining things and still look at you in that same bizarre way.
Okay,
it's
so
not
if
about-
we
it's
remove
not
the
about
word creepy
dressing.
now, I've been in situations where a lady is not modestly dressed, in my opinion, and I am conscious not to even look at her so that she doesn't know that I'm looking at her, because there's a way you ladies judge guys when we look at you,
Yeah.
right? You're wearing a clothes that's showing half your breast, but I can't look at it. But you know that's actually, the eyes of man is like on autopilot. You understand what I'm saying? It's only a regenerated man that God will give strength and grace to hold the wheel.
hold it.
To steer the eyes away.
You
You understand? It will go. You will not steer it back. So
in the right direction.
now we take a glance, or our eyes take a glance. Not us. It's the eyes, and the eyes look. And now see us looking, and then you're not feeling like this guy is a perfect. Where's the balance? Why does this happen?
Well, I think ladies like to feel beautiful, they like to feel powerful, and I feel one of the ways they feel like expressing themselves is by revealing for something, because they feel like I look hot, man. Like I look cool.
So, but what's the point of the hot if you cannot look at the hot?
And it's for your own good, brother. It's for your own good at the end of the day.
Anyway.
So, but it's not really good, because like especially if a person is a Christian brother that's trying to stay in the path of the Lord, keep his mind free of lust,
What of the Christian sister that is not helping our fellow Christian brother?
Christian sister that used to dress, just know that this is what you used to do. Oh.
This is what you used to do to us. We now look, you now be looking at us like we don't know the Bible. No, let's talk truth. This table you are not. This table you are not ready for it. No, I get the balance. I get the balance where, of course, there's freedom. You should be able to appear in however way you desire to appear. But let's talk about Christians now and find a balance to it. Like
just be balanced.
the balance, right? Yeah, basically put your brother in mind.
Yeah, I do that a lot. At times I want to wear certain things to church, and I remember I'm going to dance, and I tell myself,
Put your brothers in
person
mind,
behind
because
me.
that brother I think is strong. A week past spaghetti. Anyway, we've come to the end of our video. Yeah, we hope that you had fun with our questions. Thank you so much, Amaka, for honoring our invitation.
Yes, so the name is Amaka Twinkles.
Amaka Twinkles, you guys should check her out. We should have even told her to give us small drama on the video. But she gave us a little bit.
Please, I don't have any drama to give. I'm hungry. They have given me 3 packs of plantain chips. I'm trying not to ask for more.
If you want more, we'll give you more.
No, they are okay.
Yeah, so we'll put the link down in the description box. When you follow her and check her videos, come and give us feedback. We know you would enjoy it. Give us feedback.
Yeah, you're gonna enjoy it. She's so much fun. She's so much fun. She's so much fun.
Alright, so till we come here again,
Keep loving.
keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart Fam.